Hello, welcome to our new videos. Today we learning alphabets A to Z. Red color, brown color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, black color, red color A, red color A, brown color B, B, blue color C, C, yellow color D, D, dark brown color E, E, red color F, F, blue color G, G, yellow color H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, one, one, two, two, three, three, four, four, five, five, six, six, seven, seven, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.